What's going on, guys? We got my cousin and my brother with me today. He's on a CRF 250L, and behind me he's on a KLX 250S. This is the road I ate shit on. But yeah, there's my cousin. He's on it's a KLX 250S right there. The bike I want to get is a KLX 300, which is just the newer version of that bike. But yeah, that thing looks like it's pretty fun. He's got some shit hanging on him. The fucking terrain is junk today, man. El Bozo. It's too slippery, guys, but we can do a top speed run. Can you make it up there?
I don't know. I think it'd be too slick.
Let's get some speed. You go all the way back to there. Yeah, floor it.
Get a good running start.
Yeah. I'll show those. Whoa! Look at these guys on their 250s. See that? Oh my god. Look at, come over here. Throw their fucking Miller Lights all over the place like arts. Who the fuck's having applesauce up here? I can just feel my rear. Oh, that swamp is Baja Blast green. Yo, how do these not see that? Oh, that's not good. All right, well, it's on. I guess the thing now is how long it'll last on. Go so much faster! Guys, I kind of want to fucking rip it, jump in, and go across. You think it's a good idea after I just crashed last week? Probably not. Should I kill switch him? What's that? Alright, now this shit is gonna turn into an adventure. It's time to go to this airport. So this is the way to the pussy. This is the way to the airport. Guys are gonna race 250 versus CRF. They're honking it off. Let's go. Oh, neck to neck. The cow, we got it.
Yeah. 2 ways left.
We're arriving at the airport right now. This is the airport. I kind of want to go out there. Are we not going to check out the airport? There's the runway right there. Oh man, I went down this road in one of my old trucks like a year ago in the spring. And these two pits were literally huge. Like, my truck bed was almost like the water was like a lot over the rear wheels. Like, I'll throw that clip in right now.
I go hard in the motherfucking paint, nigga. Then you stankin', nigga. What the fuck you thinking, nigga? I won't die for this shit or what the fuck I say. Front yard, broad day,
more of that Baja Blast looking water. had to switch the GoPro batteries real quick, but as you can tell, these people do not want us in here, so we are not going to check it out. But it is a airplane, RC airplane, I guess, runway. You guys could probably see it, but it's just like a little patch of asphalt they made into like a baby little runway. So maybe some other day we'll come back here and check it out, but you know, I don't want to mess with anyone's shit. I had to change the battery.
You want to give us a start?
Huh?
You want to give us a start?
Right here, like go down there. You gonna start here?
Probably go down there and you're the finish line. Do this to go.
Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna be the flag bitch. So, like, hot girl who starts the race with the flag and Need for Speed. We'll leave that thing on the side there, like that. Looks like the CRF got him that time.
Oh my god. Here, there's like a 25-second gap over here.
This dude's probably taking another piss, I bet. That wasn't bad, but that was just throttle. Like, I wasn't really balancing it. Oh, he is pissing.
Tell Cam not to ride him.
What?
He said tell Cam not to ride back now, obviously.
When did he say that? Right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright guys, so apparently there's some fucking cops around where we ride right now. We just got a text. And, you know, their bikes are fully street legal. And this is a street, actually. It's like a legal street to ride on, I believe. Obviously, we're on a street legal TTR. So I just don't want to cause any issues. So we're going to wait. We're going to cruise around a little bit first before we go out. Or go back, whatever. So if we crash, it's the fucking police's fault because we would have been back home. I'm just kidding. Huge mud crater, like mud pits. I don't know if this is the trail or if it was the other one. Nice picnic table here. Okay, I guess we were just fucking doing a little sight lap. So I've never been on these trails here. This is very steep. I know the GoPro does not do it justice, but this is very steep to be on a bike with only front drum brakes. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's not good. I do not want to go back down that way. There's no fucking place for them to go. Fucking manhandle this bike. Oh, fuck yeah. Alright, we're in. Those guys are fucked though. Come on, baby. Oh my god, look at, there's a Hunter's. There's a Hunter's thing. I want to go up in it. Guys, should I go up in the Hunter's thing? Oh my god, this thing is fucking wobbly, man. Look at this thing. There's a little gun. Alright, so I guess we're going to go do some big hill climb. Like I've been saying, it's pretty slippery today. So hopefully a little good old TTR will get us up there. I'm gonna try my best. But I think I've been to this one before, and if it's the one I'm thinking of, I should be able to do it no problem. Oh, this is the hill I was thinking of. I'll go up first so I can get you guys going up. Alright. Oh yeah, we got this shit. Yup. Easy for these big bikes. Nice. My feet, they'll get soaked. That's some white water rapids. Look how easy it is for me to back up versus him. Alright, oh my chain, fuck. My chain fell off. On there like that. Should pop on. There we go. Okay, we're good. We're about to go back on the street. You guys think I should wheelie in the spot I crashed? Answer is fuck no. We're not gonna do that today. They were saying there's cops like where we're riding to or something. I don't know if I told you guys that earlier, but I'm the only one without a legal bike, I guess you could say. We'll keep it at that. Well, that's really gonna wrap up the video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Also, anyone who's interested in cars, I also have a car channel. That's my 335i. That's my Audi S3. In the garage, I have a turbo Miata. It's my brother's 300ZX, my dad's Z4. We got a Firebird over there, tons of other stuff. If you guys like car content, check out my other channel, Dual Overhead Cam. It's the same name as this channel, but just a D and 7S. Thank you guys. Peace.